What a beauty. Yeah, we're on the top of the... What's this place called? What's this place called?
Where we are now?
Yeah.
You mean this construction? It's the bell tower.
Bell Tower. We're at the Bell Tower. Somewhere. In Perth, that's right. Oh yeah. Look at that view. Imagine living in that big tall building right there. Yeah. Sorry. There's some bells to see ya. Oh, let's go over here. Oh. Look at that. It's ants. Look, I found an ant. See him? Right there. Yeah, him. Where the car? It's like a ant driving. Oh, imagine living the way around here. Look, that little family. You see him? It's just. Look at that one. There's a big bird. There's a big ant. Oh, that's just scary. Look at how high we are. We're in level 6. Oh yeah. Look at the truck. Driving past. Thinking there's nothing happening. What about that girl there? Oh yeah, she's small. Look at that. She's still gone. Sorry. Look at it. Just imagine. Okay, that's the beat. That was loud.
At the next bell, that opens up and drops down.
It's only joking.
Doesn't really
I
matter.
know.
I just take this.
Yeah, still gone.